there's some production from for our company. You can see that our company is well, we have 50 years experience for laser industry, and we produce laser cleaning, laser marking, and laser engrave, some like this kind of machines. And also, let's come here. Well, you can see that. You can see that our company found that 2010 that year, and for now, last 2 years ago, we opened the EU stock and the US stock. And we have sent some, some laser machines and laser cleaning machines in stock. And also, if you want to order the machine, you can send our message, so we can send the machine from the stock. And might only need maybe 3 till 5 working days to get machine very fast. So here in this part, there are some bros we're cooperating with. You can see that the GPT that's our this is the mainly source we're using for now for our laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, the laser source. And for now, that's the most popular and the best quality laser source in the laser industry. And also for the FPG, this laser source is from United States, and I know there are some companies they're searching some laser machines, but they want the best quality. So FPG is it's best quality, and also with the higher price. So if you have the enough budget, you can choose this kind of laser source. And also we have cooperated with Max. So Max is we are using the continuous laser cleaning machine for like Max. It has many years experience for the laser source, but for now they're just focused on the continuous laser source. And for now in the marketing, most of the continuous laser source will all choose the Max. And here the coherent here. The coherent is our CO2 machine laser source. So for now, the coherent, I remember, is from United States too. So like CO2 laser machine has two laser sources are available for now. That one is 大微, one is the coherent. So like we use higher power for this laser source. Like mostly for the CO2 machine, 30 and 40 watts we use the 大微, but over the 40 watts, like 60 watts CO2 machine, we choose the coherent because it's more stable. And also this kind of laser source we mainly use water cooling. Okay, so here so here is our that's our control card brand. And for now in the laser industry, for the GCZ, this brand is very popular. And also the software, it can work with the LabBurn too. The LabBurn is very popular in the United States. It's easy to operate. Okay, so look, all of these brands, we all cooperate with them, and like they're all business partners. So you can know that we can offer you the best, the machine parts and the best after sale service. Like if your machine has any problem, and we can contact with them, and they can offer the very fast and the best service for you. Okay, let's go.
人不少嘞。
Okay, so here for now, this is our global market. Like you can see that there are some pictures with our customers. Okay, Australia, Mexico, and last year we went to Mexico exhibition, and the Mexico. We went there and we attended the exhibition, and there we saw some laser marking and laser cleaning machine there. So like every year we will choose some exhibition, go the world, and to different countries. So if you have the needs, you can contact with us. And for now, this year we have a new how to say progress. Like we have a new progress. Like we just built the new after sales service agent in the different countries like Germany and Netherlands. So if you buy our machine but there's something wrong and you don't know how to do, one way is we will have a group in the WhatsApp for you to solve this problem. And also we have this agent. You can call us and maybe we can make them to go to your home or maybe the studio to check it and solve this problem. Yeah, you can see here. And yeah, last year we went to the Russia exhibition too. You can see that. For now, you know, in the Russia, I know that there are some customers there. The fold cleaning machine is more popular in the Russia marketing. So if you have the, so you know, from all these customers' feedback, you can know that they got the good machines from us, and like we can offer you the best quality machines. And yes, we have sold these machines to these countries, over 100 countries. And also, we all get the good feedbacks from them. Okay, here we go. Okay, so, well, in this part, where there are some certifications for our company. You can see that, like this one. Well, you can see that we're the verified pro supplier in the Alibaba. That means we're the top supplier, laser supplier in the Alibaba for laser industry, and you know we have these certifications because that our customers they got our machines and get the best service. That's why they believe us. And so for you, if you buy the machine and you might to meet some questions or some problems, like when you do the customer clearance, you will need some certifications like CE or FDA. We have all of them. Yeah, since we have already 15 years experience for this industry, you know we can solve any problem for you. Okay. So for the laser machines today, for the laser machines today, I'm going to show you the most popular is the fiber laser, CO2 laser, and UV laser. So for now, that's most popular in the marketing. You can see that here, this one is our most popular laser marketing machine, and you know, like this, you can see this cabinet is kind of small. You can move it easily. So it's more suitable for the studio or maybe the family use. You can. It has a small size and weight. Okay, for that place. Okay, you can see this one. Well, you can see this cabinet is very small, and also we use strong material for the cabinet, and you see for this machine is very easy to move. So I know some customer, you're doing the jewelry business. So if you're working in a small studio or maybe in the family for the family business, this kind of machine is most suitable for you. And also, well, for this fiber laser, it has 3 types. One is that type, and this one is all-in-one type. Well, compare with that one, you can see here this one is more smaller, or it's very small. You can see. Well, the laser source is inside in this cabinet, and if you don't have enough budget, you choose this one. It's really good, yes. And also we have this. The desktop type. You can see is most suitable for the factory. The cabinet is kind of big. You can see we just offer you a laptop with a machine together. Okay? Well, inside of the cabinet, there's a controller for the laptop, and you know, for this kind of machine, if you are just a fancy leather machine for the factory, I think this one is the best choice. Okay, so that's the family for now. The most popular, just the 3 types. And you can choose according, you know, your business. Maybe you're in a factory, maybe you're just doing your business. Maybe your budget is limited. You can choose according your needs. Well, for this one, okay, for this one is our handhold laser marking machine. It's kind of small. So if you want to mark on the big size, okay, like this one, let me show you. Oh, this one. So if you need to mark on the big size material, like this one, or maybe more bigger, so you can use the handhold to put here and do the marking works. It's very easy. Okay. So here is the fabric laser. So next is our CO2 laser, but for now, we don't have it here. So for the CO2 laser, it's mainly for the non-metal marking, like the wood or maybe the rubber, or also like acrylic, yes, and something else that non-metal. Plastic, you can use the CO2 machine. So the last one is our UV machine, like this one. That's the UV laser. For the UV laser is how to say? For the UV laser, it can mark on metal and non-metal, all the materials, and also the glass. So for the UV laser, compare with other 2 types, it is more expensive. And you can see that our UV laser is different from others. Is that we use this scanner. This scanner, the mode is ZBTK, but it's F type. And you can see here is we set for scanner, and it can do the preview for the marking. Well, the normal type scanner in the marketing now, they don't have this function. Okay, that's our UV laser. So I already introduced 3 types of machines. For now, we're going to see some samples for the machine. Okay, here. For the fiber laser, I see that it only for the metal marking, like this one. Look at this cup. Yeah, look at this cup. Well, we use fiber laser to do it, and we mainly this is we use a fiber laser with Rory to do the marking, and you can see that these two markings with different colors. This one is black and this one is blue, navy blue. Can you see?
看不出来。
看不出来。我这是不是有点泛蓝？Navy blue 是吧？就是那种海军蓝的颜色。Well, that's the navy blue. So for this one, we use GPT laser with a mopar function. Well, hello everyone. Can you see? Well, okay, great. 好，可以。Well, for this one is we use GPT but mopar function. So if you have the needs for do the cup marking, you can contact with us. Also, like I know some factory they need to do the QR code marking like this one. So if you have needs to marking on the metal for some QR code or something marking on the metal, you can use fiber laser. And a nameplate also, like this one is a nameplate. Okay. That's the bird tag, I think. Okay. So here are all the fabricator, and also like this one is a black marking on the stainless steel, I think. So for this marking, you can do the move up function too. Okay. Also like some customer, you need to do the engrave and relieve marking on the metal. You can use our 3D fabric laser, or maybe you use a 2D with the libraries. It can achieve this it can achieve this working effect too, like this one. Okay. Well, these corns, I know that's very popular business in the United States. Some customers use the fabric laser to do some corns marking or maybe engrave and relieve. Well, that's really expensive in United States. So you can use the fabric laser to do it. Well, that's this one. 我不知道怎么这样看。
这个光。
Okay. I see there are some friends in your YouTube. So if you have any question, you write it here. I'm going to answer you, or maybe you leave me a message. I can offer you some answers, maybe. Yeah. Thanks for coming here. See our live show. Okay. Okay, this one. That's the fabric laser. I think this marking and engrave work, you can use the 100 watt with the light burn to do it. We have some customers use the 100 watt and send some feedbacks in the Facebook, so you can follow our website in the Facebook and send our message. We can share you some samples. Okay. Oh, so this one's different. Aluminum. Well, for this work, you can see it's very the dips the dips is bigger than others because this machine we use a 3D, and for the 3D machine, the basic dips we can engrave is 5 millimeter. Yeah, so if you need to do the engrave work like very it's deeper, so you can choose our 3D machine. Okay. And here are some of our customers make the samples, and they send our samples. We do the test. We did the test, and you can use the laser machine, and 30 watts. 30 watt is very cheap, like $1,200. You can use the 30 watt machine to do some jewelry business, or maybe maybe to like this one is our customers send the cars, business card books, and you can use a 30 watt machine to do this kind of work, and marking on the aluminum with white color, and also the bracelet. or maybe you are already bought the machine, but you don't know the parameter, how to work with the machine. You can left a message here, and we're going to send you some parameters, and you can work according our suggestion. Okay. This rubber marking. It's made our fab laser too. Okay. There, for the rubber marking, you can do different working effect. You can see that here. This one is a white color marking. See, white color marking. Or you can do the black service marking, or you can do the, actually I don't know, you can see clearly that's actually it's engrave working, not only service marking. When you touch it, it not smooth, it has dips. Okay, yeah. Yes. Also, you can do some necklace marking with fab laser too. Okay. So there are some samples fab laser. So for the fab laser, for now, I feel like most of customers, they're doing the jewelry business, and mostly they will choose this machine. And if you're United States customer, or you're in the EU, you are in Germany, or maybe you are in France, you can contact with us. We have some stocks in our warehouse, and we can sell quickly and with a good price. And this next month is our China New Year. I mean the Spring Festival. So we offer you a discount for the fab laser machine. Or maybe you have needs, you contact with us. Okay. So next is our CO2 machine, mainly for marking on the net metal. Like we made these tasks on the wood. 中间，我是找一个 bookmark. That's the bookmark. Okay. So, 这个是古筝上那个吧？天马，还是那个 ？Mostly on the wood, we mainly use the CO2 machine to do the engrave like this. Not only the surface marking. Okay. What is this one? Yes, and for the CO2, is a machine buyer. Mostly they're doing the marking on the wood. Yes, and for the UV laser. Okay, next we talk about UV laser. UV laser is mainly mark on non-metal and metal, all the materials. Actually, it's especially for the glass. I think most customers come here, they see that they want to mark on the glass. We will suggest them to choose the UV laser to do the marking like this. Well, actually, you can see this bottle has a painting on the surface. You can use fab laser or CO2 laser. It can do the same work, but if you want to mark on this part only on the glass, UV laser, you have to choose the UV laser. Okay, I show you here. On the back of this bottle, you can see, if you want to mark on the glass, You have to choose the UV laser. On the bottle, you only can mark on the white color, yeah, like this. Okay. So for UV laser, actually the laser, the UV laser and the wavelength of laser is 355. So it is a kind of cold laser. When you are doing the marking work, it won't damage for the surface of the material. So you can do the marking on the plastic. Is with a good working effect. You can see here when you touch the marking, you can't feel anything. It's very smooth with the UV laser.
Yeah.
With the UV laser, yes, here. But if you mark on the fiber laser, that's totally different. That's totally different with the fiber laser. If you mark with the fiber laser, when you touch it, it can like burn it will burn the material. Yeah, I made the test for my customer. That's okay. Well. Okay. There are some. I showed you some lasers, CO2 laser, and even lasers machines, and you know, well, for this place, well, I have introduced you all of them, and if you have the needs for the marking, engrave, or maybe cutting, you can contact with us, and we will be the best, the best situation for you, according your marking material. Okay, so today in our showing room, we also put some laser cleaning machines. So I think maybe today we can introduce you some laser cleaning machine too. Okay. Okay. So here, this machine is for 3,000 watt laser cleaning machine. Well, for this machine, it's mainly for the rust or oil cleaning. It's the continuous type. Like just now, I said that Max is the most popular laser source for the continuous type. You can see here. Here is the Max laser source, right? And also, this is a 3,000 watt laser source. And for the continuous type laser machine, it's mainly the water cooling type. Like in the cabinet, you can see water chiller. Water chiller, yes. So let me. You can see here is the control panel where for the cooling system. Here you can see the temperature of the machine. Actually, for the laser cleaning machine, with this part, you need to mention when you going to start operate the machine. Mostly, the temperature of the machine should be 24 degree. Yeah, that will be good for the machine. But if less with the machine, the temperature is less 24 degree, then the machine can work very well. Yes. Okay. For the machine here, here is a control panel for the whole machine. Okay, when you open the machine, in this place you can see the machine, the parameter where you will adjust the machine like puzzle or going to work. You can choose, and you can change the different language of the machine. You can change the cleaning speed or cleaning whites. And so yeah, from here you can change different cleaning mood. Yes. Also, there are some buttons for the machine. Well, here is our handhold for the cleaning machine. You can see. Okay. Well, for this machine, actually, see with our company, we're different from other companies that here we add this part for the handhold. Actually, it is contact with the pump. Well, it will, when you are doing the cleaning work, maybe some dust will cover on the lens. Yeah, you can see. When you are doing the cleaning work, the dust will fly and cover on the lens. So here we just add this place to contact with the air pump. It will blow air through the lens. So the machine will be work well. Yes. Also, okay. Okay, but there's one thing is that for this machine, actually, for the 3,000 watt machine is 3 feet and 380, 380. 天啊，你说我都忘了。
我也忘记了。
没有关系，300 voltage 好像叫 voltage. So if you have the needs for a 3,000 watt machine, you contact with us, and well, we have some. 是2000瓦。Well, for this hard type laser cleaning machine continuous, it's very easy to move. Is here. This one is 2,000 watt. 2,000 watt. Actually, inside of the cabinet, that's just the same with the 3,000 watt. Yes. And also that's 2,000 laser source. You can see here. Well, actually, here there is a QR code for the Max. You can contact with the official Max workers. If you have some questions, like you can solve some problem for the laser source, you can scan this QR code. Or you can in the market, there are some suppliers, they offer you the very lower price for the machine. Suggest you can choose to scan this QR code and contact the workers in the Max official. So to confirm that if your Max laser source is new one or maybe second hand. So.
还有26个点呢。
Okay. For the 2,000 watt machine, the single phase, and it is 220 till 40 voltage. Yeah. Well, with the machine we offer you the stand tools. We offer you the stand tools, and there is a USB here. For the USB, in this USB you can check there are some training videos and some operate videos inside of it. And actually, if you have any question for operating machine, we have after sales service group for you. Well, you just send a message in the group. We will get you to operate machine step by step. Yes. Okay. Okay, and also I know that there are some customers. If you are in Germany, I think you're very care about if the machine is safe or not. If the machine is safety or not. So we offer you the protective glasses here. When you are doing the cleaning work, you can wear this glass and protect your eyes. Yes. Okay, you can see that for the glass, you can see for the glass also it passes CE certification, right? And also you see that. Okay. Okay, yeah. It passed the CE certification. 咱们公司 Okay, here. Well, the protective level for the glass is only 7 plus. It's already very high. Okay, so for now, well, I already introduced you our laser marking machine like the Faber, CO2, and UV, and also explain for you the laser cleaning machine. So going back to our most popular laser marking machine, show you our cabinet. Well, we have a new design for the cabinet. I can show you. Okay, so for this machine, we just I show you that the cabinet for now that's the most popular type, and also for this place that's our auditing device. It can help you to secure the inside of the cabinet. Everything can be worked okay or not. If everything's okay, then it will show you here. It will show you here, but if something like it will mention you. It will mention you and show some message here, and you can contact with our after sales service group. Yes. For this month, we just this month and next month we offer you this part for free. But if you buy extra, and you need to pay $150. Okay. Well, for this cabinet, you can see it's for the back of on the back of cabinet, you can see here. You can see here. That's the machine nameplate, and for this machine is 60 watt. That's a 60 watt, and this machine is 230 voltage, and also, well, we can customers for you if you're from United States or other company, maybe it is not suitable for you. Okay, so for our machine, over 50 watt machine, we offer you 2 fans. That's a water cooling, not water cooling. Yeah, that's a cooling system for the machine. We offer you the 2 fans. It's more stable. I know there are some companies just offer you one of it. Well, they have the less price, but these details just depends. Depends. These details well depends the machine price, yeah. And also you can see here are some there are plug you can I show you our plug. Okay, here are some stand accessories for the machine. Here is plug for our machine. Well, look at this one. Well, look at this one, and on the plug, they will show you that what is it. Well, this one is USB. And all the plug we just offer you the waterproof type, and see. And with well, one side you connect with machine, one side you connect with your laptop. Okay. Well. Well, this one. Well, this one is our power line. Power line. Yeah. Okay. One side you can contact with the cabinet, and one side just that's the power line. And yes. Okay. So for the machine, and we these ones we also offer you rotary. Look, this rotary. Okay. Well, look, here's our standard accessory USB. You can check some videos inside of it, and well, full switch. Look at this is a full switch, and you can control your machine by the laptop, and also you can control with a full switch. And look here, the switch is here. Oh, that's a full switch. If you are far with your laptop, you can just press the full switch to control the machine. It's very easy to operate and control the machine. And also with the machine, we offer you this menu with the machine here. You can before you operate the machine, you get it, and you just read this menu and see if there's anything. Okay. With the menu, we show you how to install the driver. That's the first step when you get the machine. And also, sometimes your focal distance may be not right, so you set the focal distance according. We offer you the menu. Okay. There is a box of the laser test cars. Look. Well, we will offer you one box of it. Well, it has 100 pieces, and you can use when you get machine. You use 12 pieces to test the laser if it can work well, or the laser is weak or strong. If something wrong, you can contact with us. Yes. Okay. Here. That's the stand. That's the parameter book, and okay. Or you can see. Look, we offer you the different working effect parameter for your reference. Like here, this one is still deep marking, and also steel marking, steel white marking. Yeah, and also the plastic marking and steel tips marking and plastic marking. Yeah, and many like gold, silver, or copper, aluminum cutting lasers. Okay, so that's the parameter book. You can for your reference to do some tests. Also with the machine, we offer you this protective glasses. Not sure. It should be same as a laser cleaning machine because they're using the same laser, fiber laser, and the wavelength is 1064. Yeah, so they should have the same protective glasses. Okay, process CE, and the protective label is OD7 plus. Okay, so if you have the needs for the laser machine, contact with us, because you know for now nearby is our New Year Spring Festival, so we can offer you some discount, and also maybe we can offer you some spare parts like the protective glasses if you have the needs. Yeah. So for this machine, for the fiber laser machine, we offer you, for the fiber laser machine, we offer you 2 years warranty. And if something wrong, you just, or maybe, I mean, the machine software, something wrong, we have after sales service group. If the hardware something wrong, then we will send you a new part to replace the old part. Okay. So for the fiber laser machine, it has 20 watts, 30 watts, 50 watts, 60 watts, 100 watts are very popular. That depends on your needs. If you are doing the service marketing, then 20 watt and 30 watt are very suitable for you. But if you are doing the engrave work or maybe cutting work, you just choose 50 or over 50 watt, like 60 or 100 watt. And if you are doing the color marking, like I show you just now, is multi-function. You have to choose the 60 and 100 watt. So if you have needs for the laser marking, just contact with us, and we will offer you the best choice. Okay. So for this machine, you can see here, we set two lengths for the machine, 110 millimeter and 200 millimeter. Yeah. Mostly for the smaller lens, it has a more bigger or more powerful laser beam. So this is more suitable for the engrave or cutting. But if you want to do the service marking, then 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter is good for you. It can do the big area marking very easily. Okay, and here, if you mention here, if you see here, you can see here is a label, and this place that's a focus distance for different lens. Sometimes when your machine is wrong, you feel like the laser it can't work properly. You have to check if your lens have the right focus distance. Okay. So here is we already what? Already. We already set a lens for you, and we put another lens in the accessory box. So how to change the lens? Let me show you. Well, you can see we offer you another one. This one is 200 millimeter lens, and inside of the machine here we are using the 160 lens. So if you finish your engrave or cutting work, you want to change the big area marking, you can change the lens. It's very easy to. But please, please don't touch the surface of the lens. Well, if you touch the surface of the lens, then there's some dust cover on the lens. Then you know when you are doing the marking work, it can't work. It can't work properly. So you need to clean the surface after doing the lens, after change the lens. 应该简单。有，以前咱们的客户连这个都要教，其实很简单，你看，这么就下来。
扭都不会扭。
对他当时就咱有很多客户可能是 OK。So if you want to change, you just okay, it's 200 lens. Okay. It's very easy to change your lens. 再换回来，差不多结束了吧
1分钟，好一个拖延打法。
我就可以把这个一换，然后来个结尾语就可以了。担心他们到时候找不到那个场景，我还是换回来。其实这个场景就是光学玻璃，我感觉可能说起来激光很高大上，但实际上它只是光学玻璃，就。
底下那个没球，能扣上吗？
没弄上。哎，可以了。对，结束。
掉了。
是，把它放回去。然后 ，OK， 好，我来说个结束。走，咱们还去哪？So hello guys, well that's all we showed you today, the laser machines like laser marking and laser cleaning machines. We're BY Laser, we have 15 years experience for laser industry. If you have needs for doing the similar work, you can contact with us. Okay, I'm Alice, bye bye.